Hi, Adam Schreifels here. I'm going to do a quick couple-minute video review here on a amazing course that teaches you about affiliate marketing. It's perfect for beginners. It's called My Online Startup. So let's go ahead and I'm going to share my screen here. And there we go. And I'm going to bring you to the My Online Startup page. So if you sign up for an account, you'll be brought to this page right here. And what's neat about My Online Startup is you can start a business for $197. That's unheard of. And included with that, you have training, which is valued at over $2,000. That's free. The training, you actually don't have to become a member to get the training. You get the training first, and then you can become a founder, or excuse me, a partner. And as you see on the left here, you have all these different categories of different trainings. There's 47 videos there. I've purchased many training courses before, and I can tell you without a doubt, easily you'd pay $2,000 for that. But what's neat, for $197, you can become a partner of this program and promote it. And included in that, you have upgraded trainings, more advanced trainings on Facebook marketing and such, how to become an instant authority. There's just multiple training videos that bring so much value, and you get that for $197. So, and included in that $197, you have the ability to make money off of over 50 income streams. Also, you get a landing page done for you with tracking through ClickMagick already attached. And this is the amazing part, and in my opinion, is totally worth $200 in and of itself. 165 email campaign written for you, loaded with ClickBank products with your affiliate ID that are loaded in those emails, which you can make money off of. That's part of the 50 additional income streams. Amazing. I mean, the amount of time it would take to just write those emails yourself and load them with all your affiliate links probably take a full day, if not more. Maybe 2-3 days. I mean, I don't know how fast you write. But so you get, not only have an amazing training course valued at $2,000 that you can share with people, you get a landing page that's high converting. I can tell you with certainty it's high converting. I've done solo ads before where I bought solo ads for 300 people or 300 clicks and have gotten 130 signups. So it's pretty high converting. And also you get the 165 email campaign, and I can show you it right here. They load this for you. I mean, completely amazing. Totally worth $200. Here it is. Right there. So, in my opinion, this is one of the best training courses out there, one of the best online businesses you can start if you're just getting started out in affiliate marketing. Included in the community or in the price of being a partner or just signing up for the free course, there's also a very vibrant Facebook community that helps with with starting this business, learning this business. So, I mean, there's just so much value. For a couple $100, you can become a partner. It's a no-brainer as far as I'm concerned. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have different affiliate marketing products that I promote. So you can stay up to date when I post something new. And also, if you want to find out more about my online startup, there's a link right below this video. Click on that, start a course, become a partner. Find me on Facebook, and let's connect and get you started. I myself started towards the end of May of 2020. I became a legendary partner. There's two different partner statuses. One's a partner, has everything that I explained. And then they have a legendary partner, which gives you the ability to make even more income streams, and also has its own private Facebook group that has different incentives and more personalized training by Chuck, the founder. And it's totally worth it. And so I became a legendary partner, and I made my money back in a matter of 5 days. So this is totally a business that you can be in the black in a very short period of time. You're not going to keep so many of these programs. They'll keep, you'll sign up, and then a month later they're wanting you to buy this, buy that, and not this. This hasn't resulted in that yet. So I highly recommend this. Click on the link below. Get started. We'll see you soon. Peace.